Hey Bill, this is Neil over at Auto Fair Nissan. Want to show you this beautiful 2023 Nissan Ariya Premier. Got the charging port there. We just have it plugged in right now for demonstration purposes. Got the nice white with the black roof. These rims are super nice as well. Keyless entry for the back seat right there. It's got that nice charcoal interior, double rear USB ports, double rear heated seats as well. Nice artistic format, and it even has the Ariya illuminated kick plates there. Going into the back of the car, hit the button there. It does have that nice power lift gate. It's got the cargo cover right up here, and these seats do fold down as well. Right underneath here, you'll see all your charging supplies. Comes with the level 1 cable already in there for you, but plenty of room right across. So take a nice profile shot. We'll head right into the driver's side of the car. You can keyless entry on all 4 doors. As you can see, fully power adjustable driver's seat. Does have the driver's seat memory right there. We head right into the middle. The open and close that you see here is going to be for this little tray right here. Super handy to have in the car. Down here you have your drive modes. The great thing is this has the ProPilot 2.0 system with auto park feature, and then the e-step for one pedal driving. Climate control is right across there, and if you go up to the screen here, take a look. We have our navigation right there already built in. Can provide you with all the different charging stations along your planned route. AM, FM, XM stereo. And then we'll take a look at this as well. So that's your heated seat and heated steering wheel. It does have dual zone climate control, so this control is possible as well for the passenger, as you can see right there. Right back here you have all your different power meters, all of your different charging, everything you'll need there. And then kind of flip through all these different menus back here. It's kind of hard to see, but there is that heads-up display right there as well. These 2 purple lights that you see blinking on there, those are checking your eyes. Part of that ProPilot 2.0 system. The car will drive self-drive for you, but you do need to keep your eyes on the road for that, so that's what it's monitoring. We'll head right back to the front. Give you one more look. Alright, Bill, hope you liked the video. My name's Neil. Give us a call, 603-580-4598. We'll set up a test drive for you. Have a good one.